Very good morning, dear learners. Today we are going to deal with our part number 6. Okay, so welcome to physical education class. This is your part 6, and we are dealing with our chapter number 10. The name of the chapter is training. And doping in sports. Doping in sports. So as we all know the meaning of training, training means getting theoretical and practical knowledge. So training is practical as well as theoretical knowledge. It is what? Training. When we talk about doping, so doping is a use of banned products in sports. As you are aware about, when we talk about training or when we talk about doping, when we talk about sports, see, when a people are in sports, they will never ever get various kind of things like the addiction, the bad things, right? Because see, the very first concept of ours is to manage the energies. We need to maintain the energy transformation, right? So when we are able to manage or when we are able to channelize the energy, the potential of ours in a positive manner, things will be fine with us, right? So here what I would like to suggest you is that when we talk about doping, so doping is the use of banned products in sports. Doping may be gene doping, doping may be blood doping, gene doping, drugs doping. If I am going to talk to you about the genes doping, so gene doping, it means when there is a adulteration, when there is a problem or when there is a adulteration in the genetic index, when there is a mixture, something kind of in the bloodstream or the genetic index, that is the DNA. So the replication, recombination, the adulteration in the DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, that is the genetic material of a human being, right? So that is what comes under the genetic, there is gene doping. When we talk about blood doping, so blood doping is related to the some kind of increasing in the RBCs in the body. So blood, which consists of RBCs, which carry the oxygenated blood, RBCs, red blood cell. Basically, blood is a connective tissue, and blood consists of RBCs, WBC. It means the white blood cells, the red blood cells, the plasma, the platelets, the leukocytes, thrombocytes, basophils, eosinophils, etc. So, blood is something which we call the blood doping, gene doping, and drugs doping. Drugs doping basically consists of the neurotics, the diuretics, caffeine, cocaine, opium, etc. So these are what belongs to the administration of drugs for the enhancing performance. Why this doping and all is going on into the arena of sports? Just because to enhance the performance by the unethical manner. So doping is totally banned in sports. See, when we talk about the effects of doping, the advantages and disadvantages of doping. The very first thing, if I am going to talk about the advantage, so the very first advantage is that when it's maybe happen that sometime people is facing some difficulty while getting nutrients. So when someone have a difficulty or when someone have a problem with the deficiency of a nutrient, a person can get the nutrient and the deficiency can be overcome. So it's good for that. Sometimes for the building of the body to overcome the deficiency disease, it is very, very important. But talk about this bodybuilding or the protein, see these are the synthetic products. And when the synthetic products are going on, there will be cancer. The chances of cancer is more. There may be unknown risk. They are so expensive. So loss of life and property also. Any kind of infection is there. There is a lot of things to go for, like there are a lot of instruction that we need to follow, and there may be a lot of infection over the skin. So drugs doping is yes very bad and it should be banned, and it is banned already by the International Olympic Committee, and the testing agency, World Anti-Doping Agency is also there for seeing all this thing in the Olympics. Right? So we have discussed about the training and the doping. What is training? Training means giving a practical as well as a theoretical knowledge to an individual, and it is basically meant for what? It is basically meant for enhance the sports performance. If you really want to enhance the sports performance, we go for training, that is the doping in sports. Next thing, which is the use of banned products in sports, which is banned by the IOC, the International Olympic Committee. Gene doping, blood doping, drugs doping, these are some part of doping. Now I'll be telling you what is addiction, right? So let's have a talk on addiction. Let's learn that. Addiction is what? Addiction is something which we like and which our mind says that yes, let's do this thing again and again. See, when we just take some puffs of cigarette, and it will create a dopamine kind of hormone in our brain that yes, I should go for this. This is such a good thing. And when it is generally happened when we come in the age of adolescence, from 13 to 19 years, the various hormone secretions going on in our brain, okay, in our body. So the adolescence, which is very delicate stage, so we need to be very precautionate for that. So what are the effects of addiction? What is addiction exactly? To use something at excessive. See, there are two phases of coin, head and tail, positive and negative. So what is the effect of this drug, this addiction? First thing is economic loss. Economic loss. The very first cause is economic loss. Yes, economic loss is there because the things are so costly and it leads to various diseases. So unwanted is there. Physical efficiency also lost. When we go for addiction, physical efficiency lost. So addiction lead to economic loss. Addiction lead to physical efficiency lost also. It decline our physical performance. Okay, so it will decline our performance. Even though loss of senses. Yes, addiction lead to loss of senses. So as you all know, we have 5 sense organs like the eye, which give us sensation of vision, nose, which give us sensation of smell, ear, which gives us sensation of hearing, skin, which gives us sensation of feel, and tongue, which gives us sensation of taste. So all these senses will be lost. The automatic nervous system, the neuromuscular junction, the nervous system, they somehow depressed and the working will be definitely affected. Loss of memory, the next point, right? Fourth point is loss of memory. Addiction lead to loss of memory, right? So when we are with addiction of, when we are become addicted of some products like the drugs and all, so it will become so difficult for us to have a understanding about the thing or have a proper knowledge of things, and we used to forget things, right? Which is a problem. Decline appetite. The next point. What is the next point? Decline the appetite. Bhook nahi lagna, right? Fifth point is what? Decline appetite. Okay. So yes, when a person goes for the addiction and all, the decline the rate of these food there is a not supposed to take. It also lead to crime, right? Punishment is such kind of thing lead to crime. As you got it, when people are addicted to doing something and if they not got that thing, they'll be crazy for that thing and they just wanted like yeah I wanted that thing and they might be started doing crime. They become unreliable. इसको कोई भरोसा नहीं कर पाएगा, right? So they become unreliable. They become thief. Okay, so they may do some kind of things. They become they will not be prompt, they will not be reliable, they become unreliable. They may do some kind of things which is not good, right? So disturbance in the family also, they create disturb the family or they become a destructive factor or element in a family. So disturb family. Right? So it was a 9 point and this is the 10 point. So there are various problems, various factors which affected life of a person when the addiction is there. Increase in the chances of cancer. So chances of cancer increases. Because these are how somehow the nervous system will not work. These are some kind of things which are really bad for our heart, lungs, etc. Right? So there are narcotics or the beta blockers and they have a severe kind of problem we might got. Right? So the kidney and liver is also destroyed or affected. While taking this, kidney function of kidney and lungs affected. Better. So this was all about today's sixth part. So let's just recapitulate what we had started till now. So we had started our chapter with the meaning of training and doping. As we all know that training is basically purely a physical term, and training belongs to the what? Practical as well as the theoretical knowledge about the topic. And if we talk about doping, so doping is the use of banned products in sports. Training or doping may be three types basically: gene doping, blood doping, drugs doping. If we talk about addiction, so what is addiction is all about? Addiction is something which affect a person's with all the aspects, physically, mentally, socially, emotionally, etc. So there are a lot of effects of drugs addiction. Okay, there are a lot of problems which may occur due to the drug addiction, like the economic loss. See, when there is economic loss, these drugs are very costly products in all its form. It causes a great loss of money, that is bearing poverty at homes. It causes many health problems and causes extra economic burden or medical treatment is required. So it is very very important to have a proper things. Physical efficiency lost. Yes, it's so true. Drug addiction may make your body sick, weak, diseased. Body lose physical efficiency and health is affected to the great extent. Various systems of the body reduce the efficiency. Yes, bache, it's so true. So we should not go for any kind of drug addiction. Loss of senses. So as we all know that our body organs, the judgment, the thinking, the mistakes, understanding the decisions and taking decisions, behavior and all, these are really affected. So the loss of senses is also there just because of the addiction. Loss of memory in drugs addicted person, the brain is activities are reduced, brain cannot remember immediate happening occurrence, so the memory becomes short or a person becomes short tempered and aggression is more. Decline in appetite, yes, as you can see on the board, the person become unreliable, the person has a loss of appetite because the drug addict person cannot eat as a normal diet, therefore his appetite is reduced. It causes starvation, various nutritional deficiency and all. If we talk about the next point, that is the crime. Yes, drug addiction person may be directly within relation with the crime. Most of the crimes are committed by the drug addicted peoples. The person become unreliable, was not becoming prompt as they considered they unfaithful. They used to disturb the family as they pay less attention to the family needs and become cause of the quarrel in the family. Okay, so yeah, it's depend if they are taking an excessive level, the drug addiction may lead to the damage of kidney and liver. It lead the kidney or liver cancer and maybe a complete failure of their working. Increase in the chance of blood cancer, drugs, when goes into the body, various kinds of cancers are there. These overdoses of drugs, person prescribed drugs as not termed as drug, not prescribed as by drug abuse. These addiction can only be stopped by the strong determination, hospitalization, rehabilitation centers, sympathetic attitude through the family. So it is very difficult for a person to overcome the drug addiction. But if you have a power of persistence and if you really want to lose this, definitely you can lose. But you need the determination, you need the power of persistence in yourself if you really want to lose it, right? So it is very important for us to not to be attracted by these all drug addictions. This make you trouble and there's a lot of problems in family if you go for this. So drug addiction, no drugs, never drugs, never ever just try to do it, right? So with this, take care, bye bye. This was all about your sixth part, that is the training and doping, and we are done with the effects of addiction. We understand the meaning of training and what is the meaning of doping. So this was all about our today's session. So I hope you got it. With this, thank you so much. Lots of love and lots of blessings to you all. Take care. Bye bye.